Is it time to buy or sell GameStop stock? In this video, we are diving deep into GameStop. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of June, 2025, our system has classified GameStop as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.75. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of 22.45%. This results in an average daily loss of 11.23% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 26.55% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 26.55% to 108.44%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of 17.46%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 17.36% and 89.11% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $25.98 and $41.87. Our latest daily update for GameStop includes the headline, High Volatility in GameStop Stock Price on Thursday, which ended trading at $22.14. The GameStop stock price fell by 22.45% on the last day, Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, moving from $28.55 to $22.14. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.79%, with a day low at $21.55 and a day high of $24.30. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a total decline of 25.13% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 157 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 171 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.79 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $35.80, while the lowest price was $18.73. Currently, the price is 38.16%, or $13.66, below the 52-week high, and 81.66%, or $98.61, below the all-time high reached on January 28, 2021, when the price peaked at $120.75. GameStop Corporation shares are experiencing significant volatility today, opening over 15% down after announcing plans to raise $1.75 billion through a convertible notes offering, primarily aimed at potentially expanding its Bitcoin holdings. Following this announcement, the stock tumbled nearly 20% in the morning trade. This move comes on the heels of disappointing sales figures, with the company's first quarter revenue missing expectations, largely due to declines in hardware and software sales. Despite some growth in the collectibles segment, investors are reacting to both the convertible bonds set to mature in the year 2032 and the company's ambiguous strategy moving forward. The potential for shareholder dilution from these notes raises concerns about long-term value. While generating profit from Bitcoin investments could represent a significant pivot for GameStop, the immediate market reaction suggests a lack of confidence in this approach. In the short term, declining share prices may create further uncertainty among investors, especially as optimism wanes. Long term, if GameStop successfully navigates its investments into Bitcoin and stabilizes its core business, recovery could be feasible. However, without a clear strategy, the risk of ongoing volatility and potential value erosion remains substantial. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a underperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 17th of May, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush again assigned GameStop a underperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 25th of March, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush once more gave GameStop a underperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of September, 2022, it was reported that Raymond James assigned GameStop a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 18th of August, 2022, it was reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a underperform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to GameStop stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for GameStop. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The GameStop stock is exhibiting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $28.59 and $28.63. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 36.76%. Further declines are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity 14 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for GameStop. GameStop finds support from accumulated volume at $22.09, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.76 between its high and low, which is a change of 12.79%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 4.92%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for GameStop, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This significant measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. Additionally, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GameStop. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for GameStop is at $23.49. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, GameStop faces its first support level at $22.09. If this support level holds, it may present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for GameStop from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On the 10th of April, 2025, Adel Alain conducted an insider purchase of 10,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of April, 2025, Cheng Lawrence conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of April, 2025, Cohen Ryan conducted an insider purchase of 500,000 shares of Class A common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 2nd of April, 2025, Robinson Mark Haymond conducted an insider sale of 4,687 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of April, 2025, Moore Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 1,608 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 75.658. In total, insiders purchased 1,506,389 shares and sold 1,561,128 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is GameStop stock a good buy? The GameStop stock currently shows several negative indicators. Despite some positive trends, we anticipate that GameStop will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. We have adjusted our analysis from a strong sell to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of June, we expect GameStop to open higher by approximately 522 cents and begin trading at $22.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.